Space is a desirable place, but it is also an extreme place that is unsuitable for human survival. When astronauts enter space, they must wear spacesuits to walk and work in space. Otherwise, their lives will be threatened. It is reported that the cost of manufacturing a spacesuit can cost about $500 million. Its structure is very complex and combines the achievements of many high-tech cities. It is equivalent to a small spaceship, so it can protect astronauts from various dangers in space. So what would happen if a person's body was exposed to space without a spacesuit? Hello and welcome to the channel, and this is our first episode. Without any protective measures, will the human body suffer various injuries when exposed to space? Number 1. The problem of hypoxia. The first threat in space is the lack of oxygen. We know that the human body needs oxygen to sustain life, but space is almost a complete vacuum without oxygen. When the body is exposed to space, the brain is quickly deprived of oxygen, and the person loses consciousness in about 10 seconds. Number 2. Pressure changes. Space is an environment of almost complete vacuum, which means that the pressure difference between the inside and outside of the human body will cause the gas to expand. The harm this brings is that the gas in the human body, such as the air in the lungs, will expand rapidly and burst, causing damage to the organs. Unless you can expel the air from the lungs instantly after entering space, and due to the pressure difference, the soft tissues of the human body may also expand. If you are enjoying this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this video channel now and turn on the notification bell to be the first to receive our new videos. Number 3. Evaporation of water from the human body. In a vacuum environment, since the air pressure is almost zero, the boiling point of water is extremely low. In this environment, once the human body is exposed to space, water will boil directly. However, not the entire human body, but the areas in contact with space, such as the skin, mouth and eyeball surfaces, will boil and evaporate rapidly, and the blood will also produce bubbles. A space accident occurred in 1971 when the Soviet Union's Soyuz 11 spacecraft separated from the orbital module. Because the pressure valve of the return capsule was opened, the sealing performance was destroyed, resulting in the rapid depressurization of the capsule, causing the 3 astronauts to die due to acute hypoxia and the boiling of body fluids after being exposed in space. Number 4. High-energy radiation damage. We know that cosmic radiation is everywhere in space. These cosmic radiations will bombard our bodies and cause irreversible damage. The most serious is to break down our organism, causing people to suffer from radiation sickness and at the same time increasing the risk of cancer. The cells of the human body also die. At this point, many people may ask, the space environment is so low, won't the body freeze when exposed to space? In space, there are only a few atoms per cubic meter, so the temperature cannot be eliminated. So the human body will not be frozen immediately, but a very slow process. At the same time, in science fiction movies, we will also see that the human body will explode immediately after being exposed to space. In fact, this is also wrong. The human body will not explode in space. Although the internal pressure increases, the structure of the human body is strong enough not to be destroyed by this pressure difference. It would be extremely dangerous for humans to be directly exposed to space without the protection of a spacesuit. In just 10 seconds, our brains will lose consciousness, followed by a series of fatal physiological reactions, and then death. Welcome to leave a message in the comments area for discussion. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Here we are together on a journey of exploration full of challenges and miracles.